hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how I do brighten my eyes when I am feeling a little bit low or unwell, and how instantly the makeup and the technique that I'm going to share with you makes my whole face look a little bit brighter, and I look more presentable and less ghastly. So without wasting any more time, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Chalo, let's begin. First, I have primed my face, moisturized my face, and now I'm going to prime my face. And you can use a primer or you can use a concealer. That is perfectly fine. Either ways is fine. So I am not wearing any foundation, any concealer, anything, and I'm just applying it over my lids. By the primer I'm using is by Smashbox Pore Minimizer, and I'm wearing a sunblock, although it's late in the evening today that I'm shooting, so I don't know whether you can see or not, but I have quite a lot of discoloration on my face currently, and especially under the eyes here. So I'm going to correct it first. I'm using a brush. You can use your fingers also. So first I'll use my fingers, and then after correcting I'll use a brush. So I'll use a salmon color. This salmon color, this palette is by Swiss Beauty for color correcting. So this salmon will cancel all the darkness. I'll just apply this under my eyes and then I will blend it. So first you moisturize under your eyes. I have already applied a primer, and before that I had applied a eye cream, and now the primer. So first step is to hydrate it. It can be an eye cream or a moisturizer. Anything that works for you is fine. Second step, which I'm doing currently, is use a corrector. It should be according to your skin tone. So if your skin tone is lighter than mine, then this shade might not work. You might have to use another shade which is closer to your original skin tone, which is going to cancel the darkness. And if your skin tone is darker to mine, then you will have to use a little bit darker tone, which will cancel out the grayish undertone of that lack of sleep and tiredness. It will eradicate all of that. So if you use a lighter color, it will make your eyes look grey, and it will not help you cancel the darkness. So make sure you use exactly the same color that is your skin tone, or little bit darker, or salmon. I use salmon in my case. If you are my skin tone, then salmon will work. Okay, I will use this on the other parts of discoloration as well. After this, you use a brush to blend it. So I'm using a flat tip brush, and I'm just going to make sure everything is blended. Please be very gentle around your eyes, because the skin here is very sensitive, so you don't want to do any harsh strokes or anything. That's why I was using my fingers initially. Now take any concealer. So I use this one by Maybelline. I have two shades. As you can see, this is Instant Age Rewind, and the one I use for correcting purposes is Honey. One is Honey, and this one is Light. So the light one is for highlighting, but currently I want to cancel the darkness, so I'm using Honey. So just twisting it. It's tried and tested. You can either take some on the back of your hand. It is also a kind of salmon, so it will do the same thing, but to be doubly sure, I first correct, and you don't have to use the correct this under the eye completely, on the inner corner and the outer corner. Again, take little bit on the inner corner and the outer corner. And now you just need to blend it. I'm just applying all over my face wherever I need, and then later on I'll blend it. So now whatever is left on the hand as well as under the eye, gently I'm just blending it. Base over my face because there's a lot of things happening on my face today, so I will need something to even it out. So that is why I'm using this one by Fit Me, and the color I use is 128 color. Currently I am a little bit tanned, otherwise I use a lighter tone. So I am not taking a lot, I'm just going to take a little bit just for a sheer coverage. If you want full coverage, you can apply it generously, but today I just need a sheer coverage, so I am going to dot it on my whole face or also my neck. And now whatever is left on my finger, I'm just going to use it over my lid and under my eye, very gently around the eyes. Please be very, very gentle and very careful. So now you can see very evidently that there's no discoloration whatsoever. Everything is just cancelled because of the way I did it. Moisturizing first, color correcting second, and third is concealing, and then the base. Now if you want to apply a powder, that you can do. So the powder I'm going to use is by this Makeup Revolution banana powder. If you're going to apply any eyeshadows over your lid, you have to do it, because if there is a fallout, you can just dust it off. So I'm going to apply something over my eyelids just to show you guys. So I'm going to use my Milani palette today and just taking this color Golden Hour, this one in the center, and applying it generously over the lid. It's a very basic color. It's all over the lid that I'm going to apply it. Now you can see it's clear that if a color shows off better, it's due to the base that you have given it. Now I'm just going to use my finger and apply Rose Amber in the center. Just little bit, just a hint under my eyes. That's it. If you want to open your eyes even more, then you have to use a white eyeliner. So just opens up the eyes and just taming these bad boys. Brows, just something on the inner corner and the outer under the brow. So this flicker color from the palette I'm using in the inner corner little bit, and as well as under the brow bone, on the brow bone, under the brow. Yeah, that's it. You can apply a liner if you think you need it, so otherwise you can leave it that like that. What I'm going to do today is I'm just going to use this shade from this palette, Fugo, and I'm just going to use it as a liner. I'm just smudging it. You can see the difference here. Okay. And now just curling the lashes. For the lower lash, I'm using this one, Bad Girl by Benefit. Upper lashes, I'm going to use Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara. So nothing on my face apart from what I've done on my eyes. Just let me fix rest of my face and I'll just come back. You can see I've done a little bit just the basic makeup, and I just wanted to make sure everything is focused on my eyes, and that's what it is. So if it helped, let me know. Try it out. If it does work for you, tag me in your pictures. And on Instagram, my handle is All Things Beautiful by Sakshi. Until next time, take very good care of yourself. Love you all. Bye-bye.